Represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, mask on.
Hey you guys, I forgot to film an intro and outro to this video, but this is the look that we're doing today. Please subscribe at the button down below and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's just get right into the video. For brows, I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and then we're using these two PIXI eyeshadow palettes, and we're going to use this color, and we're going to set our base. I may sound a little bit different. It's because I am recovering from tonsillectomy surgery. I am currently in hydrocodone, so I'm able to talk to do this voiceover. Elf had these little tapes that you would use to like line up your shadow or your liner, so I'm using those today, and I really like them. And then we're going with this taupe shade in the palette, and we're going to pop that in our crease as a transition shade. I will be linking all the brushes and products down below, and just bear with me in my voice. I know I sound really different, and I'm really curious about how I'm going to sound after I heal. Then we're going to be taking this gray beige type of shade and popping that in the outer corner and the outer crease. I am vlogging this tonsillectomy experience for y'all, so stay tuned for that video very soon. And now we're taking this shade and we're popping that in the outer corner just to deepen it up even more. And by the way, I'm giving away Benefit products on my Instagram, so definitely head over to my Instagram and check that out. Next, from Elf, we are taking the 16-hour Camo concealer and cutting the crease. I will list all the shades and everything down below. Next, we're taking this color right here and popping that in the middle of the lid. Now we're going to take this color, which is so pretty to me, and we're going to take it and put it on the outer corner. Now we're going to take this cotton candy pink and pop it on the inner corner of the lid. And for the brow bone, we're taking this white gold color and popping it right on the brow bone. And for wing liner, I'm using these Rimmel Wonder Swipe eyeliners. They're actually eyeliners and eyeshadows. You can like use them as both. And the shade is called So Savage. And to add some glitter to the cut crease, I'm going in with the shade Infamous. And for primer, we're using this primer that I've been wanting to try out. This is the No Problem primer, and I really actually did like this. I got this in my BoxyCharm. For foundation, we're using the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. This is the shade F8. To blend this out, we're going to be using the Sigma Kabuki brushes. I'll list them down below. And I really did like this foundation. It was very full coverage, very easy to build, very easy to blend, and the shade was okay. I could have went a shade darker, but it did oxidize to my skin tone, and with bronzer, it was pretty fine. So definitely go a shade darker than you think you may need. For cream contour, I'm contouring with a full spectrum concealer from CoverGirl. Y'all, I really like this e.l.f. concealer, and I'm using it for under my eyes and to conceal some blemishes. And y'all, $5, you need to try this concealer because it's like I'm grabbing it every time I try to do my makeup. And this sponge is actually a Wet n Wild sponge. I really like this sponge. It's very soft. It blends it out very easily, and it's like $3, I think. To set my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. This powder didn't work really well with the cream foundation, but for the liquid foundation, I really like it, guys. For bronzer, I'm taking Makeup Geek's Tawny Bronzer, which is now available in stores at Target, which I'm so excited about. And I'm just contouring my cheeks a little bit more. And I was really impressed with my skin in this clip. We're taking the Wet n Wild Illuminator. This is a loose one in the shade Hustle and Glow, and just highlighting with this today. I really like this highlighter formula because it looks wet and glossy instead of sitting on top of the skin. Y'all, Sigma did it with this packaging and this blush. It's also monochromatic and I love it. This is the Sigma Pink blush, and I'm just using this very lightly for blush. For under my eyes, I just took a brush that I used in my crease and just ran that under my lash line. For lips, we're using Kylie's Velvet Lipstick, and this is just shade Basic, and this is my new favorite nude, guys. Definitely is. It's my color, it's my shades, my undertone. Absolutely love the formula. So yeah, definitely will see more Kylie lipsticks on my channel in the future. And for mascara, we're using the Rimmel Wow Wings mascara. This is new and I really like it. It's a weird wand shape. Oh my gosh, I love this mascara so much. First impression, it made them very fluttery, very wispy, and it's not too drying, but it's not a wet formula. I really like this mascara. You can see the difference like I'll show you guys in a little bit. I did pop on some lashes, which are the EYLURE number 126 lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what you want to see next, and be sure to go to my Instagram and enter the giveaway. And I'll see you in my next video.
This game get top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, bit fine.